Hello children, welcome to Sheikh Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East CBSE online audio video lessons. This is Mrs. Swarali Rupote from Standard 1 teaching your subject English, and today we are going to start with lesson number 20, The Tailor and His Friend. Okay children, let us start with this interesting story, The Tailor and His Friend. Kalu, the tailor, had a shop near the river. Children, there was a person named Kalu and he had a shop near the river. He made colorful pants and shirts for children. Now he was a tailor by profession. He used to make colorful pants and shirts for children. Appu, the elephant, was his friend. Now, who was his friend? Appu, the elephant. The name of the elephant was Appu. Appu came to his shop every day. Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. Children, as you can see in the picture, Appu the elephant, he used to come to his shop, Kalu's shop, every day. And Kalu used to give him very nice things to eat. One day, Kalu wanted to play a trick. Now, some days passed. Kalu wanted to play some trick. He did not give Appu anything to eat. What did he do? He did not give Appu anything to eat that day. And instead, he took out his needle and pricked Appu's trunk. Children, you must have seen a needle at tailor shop or at home too. We stitch our clothes with it. Yes, it is very pointed and sharp. So, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Appu ran away in pain. Now, Appu was very sad and he ran away in pain. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. Now, what did Appu do? Appu thought of teaching Kalu a lesson. So, he came to the river and he filled water in his trunk. He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. So, what did he do? With his filled trunk, he came to Kalu's shop and he threw water everywhere on the clothes. All the clothes in the shop became wet. Appu shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." Yes, children, this is what happens with us too. That if someone tries to trick us, someone teases us, someone beats us, pushes us, we never like it. We try to give it back, but instead we should never give it back, but try to solve it peacefully. Kalu said, "I'm sorry, Appu, let's be friends again." He realized his mistake. Now he told Appu that we will never do these things again and we should be good friends. Kalu and Appu became good friends. Now they both realized their mistake and again they became very good friends. Now children, these are some of the new words from this lesson. I am reading it. Please repeat after me. Tailor, shop, river, colorful, pants, shirt, children, everyday, trick, through, everywhere, never, and forget. So children, what have we learned from this lesson? That whatever we give come back to you. So children, we should always do good to others so that good comes back to you. Thank you children and happy learning.